Proceed 429er. Combat zone? Oh, no! Not from me. That dreadful bounty hunter.
We're grateful you make it. You are all heroes of the rebellion.
How do you know this pilot?
He's my dad.
Okay, so since he's your dad, you should already know he's always right. So literally, you gotta go to the right that way. Okay. All right. Pick the good seat, like you do. Right.
This is
I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick. Ah, there it is. After that thing. Great job, my friend. You retrieved one container of Compaxia. This is great.
Double the patrols.
Sir.
Interrogate the merchants.
Of course.
Detain travelers.
Yes, sir. If you want.
I want information. Do not fail, Lieutenant. Are we clear?
We're clear.
I guess a green milk.
Is that it?
Okay, you're gonna have to try it.
You go small.
Guys, here.
It's actually pretty good.
That is weird.
Pretty handsome.
I don't really like it. You don't like it? I mean, it's okay.
Thank you for joining the call.
First order TIE fighter. You know the location of the secret base, and I.
Prisoner transfer.
Authorized flight.
Thank you.
More escape pods down.
Welcome to our workshop.
It's good. Just drink it since she drinks. Not bad, huh?
Busy?
Very interesting. It's really interesting.
How is that doing that?
I don't understand the science.
Here we go.
I'm so excited. Come pinch fingers.
Oh my god!
Oh, we're not done yet, bro.
Hang on. Here we go. You got a friend
You have fun? So sick, huh?
That was